Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. Today we have to talk about a topic that sounds high-tech, but is actually closely related to our lives: semiconductor equipment sales. You may wonder, what does semiconductor equipment sales have to do with people? Don't worry, I will tell you in people's words. First of all, we have to know what semiconductor equipment is. Simply put, semiconductor equipment is those high-precision machines used to make chips. Without these equipment, the chips in our mobile phones, computers, and TVs cannot be made. You may say, what does that have to do with us? It's a big deal. Think about it, if the chips can't be made, can our mobile phones, computers, and TVs still be used? Therefore, the quality of semiconductor equipment sales directly affects our quality of life. Speaking of which, the sales of semiconductor equipment have been very hot recently. According to the latest data, the sales of semiconductor equipment in mainland China ranks first in the world. This really makes us Chinese proud. Think about it, the semiconductor equipment market used to be monopolized by foreign manufacturers, and now China can also stand out in this field. How difficult it is. And that's not all. The North American market has also emerged as a new force, with sales soaring 77% year-on-year. This is an amazing number. It shows that the demand for semiconductors in North America is also very strong. You may wonder, what does the North American market have to do with us? It has a lot to do with us. If semiconductors sell well in the North American market, won't China export more electronic products to North America? In this way, won't our economy grow? Therefore, the sales of semiconductor equipment are closely related to each of us. So, why is the sales of semiconductor equipment so popular? The reason is not complicated. On the one hand, with the development of technology, our demand for semiconductors is increasing. Think about it, the chips in the electronic products such as mobile phones, computers, and TVs we use are becoming more and more complex and advanced. This requires more advanced semiconductor equipment to manufacture these chips. Therefore, the semiconductor equipment sales market has also become popular. On the other hand, governments of various countries are vigorously supporting the development of the semiconductor industry. Think about it, the semiconductor industry is an important manifestation of a country's scientific and technological strength, and it is also a key area for future economic development. Therefore, governments of various countries are introducing relevant policies and increasing investment to promote the development of local semiconductor industries. In this way, the semiconductor equipment sales market will become more prosperous. Speaking of which, the hot sales of semiconductor equipment have also brought some tangible benefits to ordinary people like us. You may wonder, what does this have to do with us? It has a lot to do with it. If semiconductor equipment sells well, then domestic semiconductor companies in China will be able to make more money. In this way, they will have more funds to invest in research and development and innovation, and we will be able to use more advanced and cheaper electronic products. Moreover, these semiconductor companies will make more money and create more tax revenue for the country, and our social welfare and public services will be better protected. Of course, the hot sales of semiconductor equipment have also brought us some challenges and opportunities. You may wonder, what does this have to do with us? It has a lot to do with it. If semiconductor equipment sells well, then domestic semiconductor companies in China will have to continuously improve their technical strength and market competitiveness. In this way, we have to constantly learn new knowledge and new skills to keep up with the pace of this era. Moreover, the hot sales of semiconductor equipment also provide us with more employment opportunities and entrepreneurial opportunities. If semiconductor companies make more money, they will have to recruit more people to expand production scale and improve production efficiency. In this way, we will have more employment opportunities. Moreover, if we have the idea and strength to start a business, we can also consider entering the semiconductor field to share a piece of the pie. However, we must also be aware that the hot sales of semiconductor equipment does not mean that we can sit back and relax. After all, the semiconductor industry is a technology-intensive industry that requires continuous investment in research and development and innovation to maintain its leading position. Therefore, we must continue to work hard to learn and improve our abilities. Moreover, the competition in the semiconductor market is also very fierce, and we must always be vigilant and sharp. Finally, I want to say that the hot sales of semiconductor equipment are a great thing. It not only allows China to stand out in the global semiconductor field, but also brings some tangible benefits and opportunities to ordinary people like us. We must cherish and seize this opportunity. I hope that our Chinese semiconductor industry will become better and stronger. Let our lives become better and more exciting. Well, let's stop here today. I hope everyone can learn something from this article and have a deeper understanding of semiconductor equipment sales. See you next time.